In this video, we will learn about some shapes and colors. Let's go! We will start with oval. This is a parallelogram. Crescent. Semicircle. Diamond. And hexagon. It's painting time! We will paint the oval red. We will add red glitter. The parallelogram will be yellow in color. Now we will add yellow glitter. The crescent will be painted purple. Now we will add purple glitter. The semicircle color is orange. Now we will add orange glitter. The diamond is blue. Now we will add blue glitter. And the hexagon is pink. Now we will add pink glitter. Hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for others interesting videos. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye-bye!